You can customize your Peugeot central touchscreen and instrument panel. To do so, on one of the system home pages, long press on the central touchscreen or press on the Settings application. In the list, select the Customization tab. Press on Screen Display Customization. A page split into two parts will be displayed. Press on the Customize Central Touchscreen part. An illustration of the various widgets and pages appears. To add a page, press Page on the left side of the central touchscreen. To customize it, press on one of the plus signs. The available widgets are highlighted. Press on one of them to add it to the page. To move a widget, long press on it, then slide it to the desired location. To delete a widget, long press on it, and then slide it to the bin, and confirm. You can also move the pages by long pressing on the corresponding number and sliding them. To delete a page, long press on the corresponding number, then slide it to the bin, and confirm. To validate the changes you have made, press on the arrow on the top left-hand side, and save. To customize the instrument panel, press on the Customize part of Driver Display, and proceed in the same way as for the central touchscreen. Modifications to the organization of pages and widgets appear on the instrument panel immediately.